Daily Current Affairs of October 29.
Try permits system to display caller's real name. Try approval. Try permitted a system to display the caller's verified name. Verification source. The name displayed is based on the caller's KYC registration with their mobile operator. Primary goal, to combat phone spam, frauds, and unsolicited commercial communication, UCC. Implementation, the system is intended to be mandatory across all telecom service providers. Difference from apps, this is an official, regulator-mandated system, unlike third-party apps, e.g. Truecaller. India's multilingual AI suite, Bharat Gen, launched first indigenous LLM. It is India's first government-funded, indigenously developed multimodal large language model, LLM. 3 modalities, it integrates capabilities across text, speech, and image processing. Implementing body, developed under the National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical Systems, NMICPS, led by the TIH Foundation at IIT Bombay. Language goal, its goal is to support all 22 languages listed in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. National aim, the initiative is central to achieving digital inclusion and establishing AI sovereignty for India. Anuvadini AI tool promotes mother tongue education. Anuvadini is an AICTE developed AI tool that translates educational content into 22 Indian languages. Its main purpose is to support NEP 2020 by making learning materials accessible in the mother tongue. The tool translates documents, videos, and text, ensuring students can study complex subjects in their native language. Anuvadini democratizes higher education by making specialized English study materials, including engineering and medical textbooks, available in vernacular languages. Features like BharatTube and the online document translation tool enable rapid localization of diverse educational media for students' better comprehension. Anuvadini vs Bhashini vs Bharat Gen, a comparative view of India's multilingual AI. Bhashini is the hub that facilitates the development and deployment of Indian language technologies. Bharat Gen is focused on building the cutting-edge, deep learning models that power translation and generation. Anuvadini AI is a specialized application that uses these AI capabilities to solve the specific challenge of language barriers in higher education. HAL-Russia Civil Deal. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, and Russia's public joint stock company United Aircraft Corporation, PJSCUAC, signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, for the Superjet 100 aircraft. The agreement's primary focus is on maintenance, repair, and overhaul, MRO, services for the aircraft. The collaboration is designed to provide logistics support for the Superjet 100 program. This marks an important expansion of India-Russia cooperation into the civil aviation sector.